Let's see more about types of mixtures. Here again we need to take a experiment. So take three beakers. Beakers are the glass like structure. So take three beakers, take a little sand and water in the first beaker. Take some crystals of blue vitriol and water in the second beaker. First beaker में हमने क्या लिया है? What we have taken? Sand and water. And in second beaker we have taken blue vitriol and water. And in third beaker we have to take blue vitriol, sand, mixture. So stir the material in all three beakers and record your observations. So what will happen? Sand in first beaker, sand and water, it does not mixes properly, isn't it? So we can separate sand from water. In second, vitriol dissolves in water, and in third, vitriol and sand. Here again, sand does not mixes in vitriol does not mixes in sand. So the part of the matter having uniform composition is called phase. अब दोनों मैटर की सेम फेज है तभी वो अच्छे से मिक्स होंगे. So write the third column in the table the number of the phases seen in each of the beakers after stirring. When all the components of mixture from one phase, it is called as homogeneous mixture. Same phase है तो homogeneous mixture. If both are solid or both are liquid or both are gaseous, then they are called homogeneous mixture. But when the components of a mixture are distributed into two or more phases, they are known as heterogeneous mixture. If one is solid and second is liquid and they are not mixing properly, then they are known as heterogeneous mixtures. All the particles of a solid that stay together or are in same container constitute a single phase. A liquid substance along with all the soluble substances dissolved in it together constitute a single phase, and a liquid or all its drops present together or in the same container constitutes a single phase. That means raindrops. So the liquid present together or in the same container but not mixed with each other constitutes separate phase. That means oil and water. We can't mix oil and water. All the gases present together constitute a single phase. That means air. Air contains various gases. So here again one more activity is given or one more experiment is given. Take 3 beakers, take 10 gram of common salt in the first beaker, 10 gram of sawdust, लाकडाचा भुसा, sawdust in the second beaker and 10 ml of milk in the third beaker. 3 वेगळ्या वेगळ्या beakerमध्ये 3 वेगळ्या वेगळ्या गोष्टी आपल्याला घ्यायच्या आहेत. 10 gram common salt in first beaker, 10 gram sawdust in second beaker and 10 ml milk in third beaker. Now what to do? Add 100 ml water to all these 3 beakers and stir. आता 100 ml water तिन्हीमध्ये टाकलाय आपण. आता काय डिझॉल्व्ह होईल आणि काय डिझॉल्व्ह नाही होणार ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. So which of the mixture shows a separate water phase? Place the 3 beakers in front of vertically held paper and passed a laser beam through the beaker from opposite side. Use the laser beam under the guidance of teacher. So at the same time observe what appears on the paper in front of the beaker. Also look at the beaker from a side. Arrange the 3 filtration assemblies. आता तिन्ही beaker arrange करायचे आपल्याला आजूबाजूला. So that is known as assembly. Arrangement of that beakers is known as assemblies using conical flask, funnel and filter paper. Doing filtration. आता फिल्टर करायचं आहे त्याला आपल्याला. What will happen? Stir the mixtures in 3 beakers and carry out filtration. Record the observation. अब क्या होगा? In first beaker common salt easily dissolves in water. In second beaker that we have taken sawdust, it doesn't dissolve. So after filtration sawdust remain as a residue. And in third beaker milk again mixes in water. So this is about mixtures.